Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Chang from Bareroot Nation, where we focus on growing rare and exotic fruits. Behind me are a few of my Cherimoya trees, and today I'm going to be showing you how to hand pollinate them for maximum fruit production. Pollinating Cherimoya or other fruits in the Annona family such as Cherimoya or sugar apple or custard apple can be quite a task. This is because the flowers start off as female and they progressively turn into males. This is where it gets tricky because you need to collect the male pollen from one flower and then use that to pollinate all the females before they open and turn into males too. The reason why you want to hand pollinate is to maximize your fruit production, because if you rely on natural things to pollinate, your fruit value will be drastically lower. This is because the flowers are so small, bees can't pollinate the female flowers because they're simply too large, so they rely on tiny little black beetles and things like flies to pollinate. And if you don't have those in abundance around your yard, then hand pollinating is the definite way to maximize your production. Now, as you can see here, I have various stages of my Cherimoya, starting from an unopened female to a fully opened male, which, as you can see as I knock off the petals, it's got the little fruit right here. I also have a couple other fruits hanging here that look like they didn't pollinate there, as you can see, as it just fell off. But basically what you're going to do now is you're going to get a paintbrush and you're going to get yourself a container such as this one, and you're going to get the flower on the inside, and you can see I don't know if you can see the pollen is just falling into the cup. And I'm doing this now because I already pollinated these ones earlier. You just collect the pollen, scrape it out in the brush. Now, once you've collected the pollen from the male flower, you grab your paintbrush and you're going to dab it in the pollen. Make sure you can coat it very thickly. You can see it on the tip of the brush. Now what you do is, here's a female flower. It's not all the way open, and you just get your paintbrush and you insert it, twist it, and then you should be good. And one thing I've learned is you pinch off a little petal of one of the flowers once you pollinate it, so you can keep track of which ones have been pollinated and which ones haven't. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed our quick video today on how to hand pollinate Cherimoya fruits. We'll be keeping updates on how the fruits going and as they grow all the way up until the point where we put them into our bellies. Hope you guys have a good day and keep gardening.